This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
So YouTube is the world's second largest search engine after Google. So that means if you are consulting a client with respect to what kind of content the business needs to have on the website so that it's more visible on search engines, that is just one part of the story. You can and you should also suggest videos that this business should be doing so that its videos are more visible on YouTube. Because YouTube is not just about Bollywood or entertainment, Hollywood related queries across industries, whether it is sports or technology, fashion, cosmetics, the searches on YouTube are just increasing every day. So today's case study is really about that, suggesting video titles for a business which is an app-based business. It's called Food Buddy. And it's really an app wherein you can order home cooked food, which is and during the pandemic, it's something which would be businesses like this would be seeing an upswing. So what this case study really entails is the first thing is the step one is that you have to go to a keyword research tool and find out the most relevant words for this particular business which are being searched on YouTube. So that's the first step. The second step is to find out the words which have good search volumes and are not so competitive and also make sense for a business like this, right? So it's the first step is easy. The second step is a little tricky because it will involve you to check on if the words that you have shortlisted are competitive or not. And the third step is to suggest video titles based on the first two steps. So that's it. That's the case study for today. Thank you.